Hello guys, just wanted to show that progress on the Cafe Racer is still going on. It's slow since I've recently moved house and this really hasn't been my priority, but I've managed to make the rear end of the frame, so it's now kind of tack welded in place. The seat sits there, it's not bolted down. The tank sits there as well, but it's not secured in any way. I just wanted to show you how it might look at some point. I'm also working on making a new rear swing arm because the one that came with the bike is really badly rusted, and I wanted to extend it a bit so the rear wheel kind of sits further back. I think it gives it a slightly better look and a bit better stance. So that's where we are at the moment. I didn't manage to take videos of how I made the rear hoop and how I welded it in place and all that. I'm just really trying to work around other priorities that I've got going on at the moment, but I'm hoping to start making videos again at some point. So I'm almost done with the rear hoop. I just need to make a few final welds around the joint there, and then it should be pretty much done. Obviously I haven't put the mounting points for the suspension. I think what I'll need to do is finish the rear swing arm and then see exactly what length springs I need, because I plan to extend the rear swing arm a bit, so the spring length may have to change. So I'll once the swing arm is done and I can lift the bike to the ride height that I want, then I'll see the spring length and where the mounting points should be. So what you see me doing here is a dry run. Basically I'm just trying to see if I can change the angle of the torch quickly enough around these small diameter pipe. And the reason you want to do this is because you want to make sure that you're always pulling the wire and not pushing the wire. This is very important for flux core welding, because if you start pushing the wire then it can cause porosity or cavitation in your weld.
Now I want to end this video by showing you a few photos of the welds after I've cleaned them a bit. I'm not particularly good at welding. I don't have a professional welder, and flux core welding is not the cleanest of welding methods, but I know it's strong enough.